there, little artists! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw an adorable snail. And I will tell you the story, Shelly the brave snail. Okay, let's go. Once upon a time, in a bright and colorful garden, there lived a little snail named Shelly. Shelly was no ordinary snail. She had a shiny, swirly shell that sparkled in the sunlight. But more than that, Shelly had a big, brave heart. Every day, Shelly would slowly slide through the garden, enjoying the fresh dew on the leaves and the warm sun on her back. But Shelly wasn't just enjoying her strolls. She was also on a mission. You see, Shelly was determined to explore every corner of the garden, even though she was a little slower than the other animals. One sunny morning, as Shelly was making her way up a tall sunflower, she heard a buzzing sound. It was Buzz the bee, flying around the flowers. "Shelly, why do you always take so long to get anywhere?" Buzz asked, zooming from one flower to another. Shelly smiled and replied, "I may be slow, but I get to see so many wonderful things along the way. I enjoy the journey." Buzz thought about it for a moment and then nodded. "That's true, Shelly. You probably notice things that I miss because I'm always in such a hurry." As Shelly continued her journey, she came across Hop the grasshopper, who was busy jumping from leaf to leaf. "Shelly, why don't you jump like me? You'd get around much faster," Hop suggested. Shelly giggled. "I could try to jump, but I'm happy sliding slowly. I like to take my time and enjoy the world around me. Everyone has their own way of moving, and that's okay." Hop smiled back at Shelly and said, "I guess you're right. We all move in our own special way." One day, as Shelly was sliding through the garden, she noticed a little caterpillar named Wiggles looking sad under a big leaf. "What's wrong, Wiggles?" Shelly asked in her gentle voice. Wiggles sighed, "I'm just a tiny caterpillar. I'll never be as fast as Buzz or Hop. I feel so small and slow." Shelly moved closer and said kindly, "You know, Wiggles, I'm slow too, but that doesn't mean we can't do great things. Being slow gives us time to see the beauty in the world, and guess what? One day, you'll turn into a beautiful butterfly, and you'll fly higher than anyone else." Wiggles' eyes lit up with hope. "Really?" he asked. "Really," Shelly nodded. "We all grow and change at our own pace, and that's what makes us special." From that day on, Wiggles felt much better about himself, and he began to enjoy his slow journey through the garden, just like Shelly. As the days passed, Shelly continued to explore the garden, making new friends and teaching them that it's okay to go at your own pace. Whether fast or slow, everyone has something special to offer. And so, Shelly the brave snail showed all her friends that the journey is just as important as the destination. She taught them that taking your time can help you notice all the little wonders in life that might otherwise be missed. And with that, Shelly continued her adventures, knowing that being slow was her superpower because it let her see the world in a way that no one else could. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time!